the Federal Reserve meeting will be out in 2 days time. 2 days time, on Wednesday, the Federal Reserve meeting will be held. Fed is going to announce whether it's going to favor us, it's not going to favor us. I don't really know how the market is going to keep us this time around, but we should be conscious on how we are trading the market. The market is not really looking good. For those of you that want to short, I'm not advising you to short. For those of you that want to long, I'm not really advising you to long, because for me, I don't really know the direction of the market right now. But let's take a very good look at the chart, so that with the chart we could as well explain to ourselves what is really going to happen on the chart today, because I'm seeing a W pattern forming on the chart. Like I'm talking to you guys right now, I'm seeing a W pattern forming on the chart. Here we go, guys. See, W pattern is forming on the chart. If you could see on the 4-hour time frame, a W pattern is forming. For those of you that are used to the chart pattern, we should really know what W pattern means. It means Bitcoin is going to break, possibly comes down to this previous zone here, possibly come down to this previous zone, around this zone of 2100, or if that does not hold, it's going to break below, and Bitcoin is going to be seeing 19700 any moment from now. But we still not believe it's going to come that low, but I'm just trying to give my own view on what I think might hold the market. Yeah, we see a hammer fix right here. This hammer fix right here should be holding the market once the market comes down. But we have clearly seen up here that there is a lot of hammer fix happening up here, which is supposed to hold the market pump. Yeah, which is supposed to hold the market pump. So if this market do break below 2200, I'm going to short the market. But I still believe this zone of 2400 is still very strong, holding the market down. As we all know, every organization will be out trading today, so we should trade with caution, because they would definitely want to control the market today. The market might be dumping on us or might be pumping, but if I see anything above 2000, I'm going to go into the market, because on the 4-hour time frame here, we'll see that the market is very strong bullish, and that is the 9 o'clock candlestick that just formed, and it's looking so hard on us. It's looking so hard on us. I'm not advising anybody to go into the market right now. Take caution, keep an eye on the market, because whatever makes this market move, whatever makes this market move in this W pattern, the W is going to be looking complete. Guys, see, this is where I'm keeping my target on the market. So once this market comes to this zone here, I will be taking an entry all the way up to this point of 2100, where I will be exiting the market again. So if you will be trading the market with me, and we'll be taking an entry from this point up to this point of 2100, that means 5%. Guys, 5% with 1000, you get up to 21,000, depending on the leverage that you are using on the market. With $1,000, you get that amount. So keep an eye on the market. While the market is yet to do what it's about to do, the market chooses to pump towards the upside today. That means the Federal Reserve meeting is going to come hard on the market as we are currently talking. But at the same time, there's a lot of bullish news holding the market upward, because this market is supposed to be dumping towards the downside because of this W pattern, and this market failed to drop below this point of 2400. That means there will be an uptrend by 1 o'clock. By 1 o'clock, the market should be giving us something towards the upside again. Or if we don't see anything like towards the upside, that means the downtrend is going to continue even way below 20 to 19k. That means our support zone will be at this zone right here. Our support zone is going to be at this zone, just like I've marked it out. Our support zone is going to be here. This is where our support zone is going to be. I'm going to be taking a long position from that point right there until I see this market fall below 2400 or break above 2600. I'm not going to be going in like I always do. I'm going to go to the lower time frame, 15 to 5 minutes, and take my entry. So guys, if you are looking to trade the market, the Bybit link is still there, Bybit link is still there. All the promos, all the bonuses are still on the link. So do well to use the link, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me show you guys where I'm going to be taking my entry from the lower time frame. So guys, on the daily time frame right here, the market is still consolidating. The market is still holding its position. Let me remove all these things here. The market is still consolidating. The market is still looking for an uptrend. The market is still on. The market is still on, still pointing towards the downside, which may possibly result us coming below 20k. At 19,100 here, might hold this market again, because if you could clearly see on the chart right here, let me zoom it out for you guys. This zone right here, this zone right here might be where the market will be heading towards again, because if you could clearly see on the MACD, the market is giving us something, not really something good to look out for, guys. Not really something good to look out for. Look at what the market is doing. So this market might possibly want to come down to this zone here before there will be another pump towards the upside. That is what the market is planning to do, or possibly that is what the market wants to do. So we are still on this consolidation phase from this morning star right here. The market is supposed to pump, but it hasn't. So we have two things in mind. We're coming towards the downside, or we are coming towards the upside. The market will not just remain in one zone the whole of today. Be it in mind, the market will be sending us down today, or maybe taking us towards the upside. So guys, do leave a thumb up on this video. We don't really have much to say, but if you have any question, you could leave it on the comment section or on our bio, or you contact us on Twitter. Whichever way you want to reach out to us, we'll always be there to respond to you. Like I said, I do only on Bitcoin. I would have liked to talk about Dogecoin, but I don't really do much on any other coin if it's not Bitcoin. And I trade with Bitcoin in Vita. So you could clearly see that I use the futures chart. That's what I use. So whatever you see here is what is going to play on your futures chart if you are trading futures. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video. Do have a nice day.